So let's start without wasting much time. Everyone, create a new sheet. Okay, yesterday one thing which was there remaining, we have seen the ways of sorting, right? So one more thing you can do, select the thing. You can select it by cursor also, or anywhere inside the table, inside this data, you put your cursor, select all, Control A. If you put it outside and Control A, whole sheet will get selected. But inside the data, if you put and Control A, that data part only will be get selected. Okay. So selecting that much, we'll say insert a table. Insert table. Okay. Is that done? So as soon as you create, everybody, as soon as you create the table, there will be drop downs. What will be there? Drop downs. So here you can sort A to Z. Okay. Smallest to largest. Largest to smallest. So according to your choice. So sorting, we have gone through this data and selected the sort button. Otherwise, another way is creating the table of that particular data and you can sort it. Got it, everybody? Just do this.
Excuse me, can you come again?
Yes. Do you have this data?
I don't have.
Is it your first class?
No, second class.
Second? Yesterday were you there present?
Yesterday.
Am I audible? Yesterday you were present or not?
No, I'm not present.
Have you seen the recording?
Yesterday recording not available here. Can you share once again data, please?
Guys, you don't have to take this seriously, okay? I was just asking the name. Do I look danger? No, right? So selecting, once again I'm repeating, selecting the data and go to insert and click on table and it will say create table. It'll say okay. So as soon as the table is created, click on the drop down. You can sort it. Largest to smallest, smallest to largest. Okay, done. Now create a new sheet, name it as if function. The one who was asking, have you joined back?
Yes, I am here. Can you share data?
Of what I will get. So you can write the same number also. Few numbers are there, 88, 67. It's your choice. Random numbers I want.
Okay.
Have you joined back?
Yes, I am here.
So what's your name?
Praveen Kumar.
Praveen. So I have repeated that thing. In between you got left. Have you got that point? Or should I repeat once again?
Once again, can you come again?
Okay.
But where is
See,
the data? Can you share the in WhatsApp group?
data file I have shared it. Again, I will share. in the group. You can check this. Now I'm sharing it. So the file name is Excel data. Both the groups I forwarded it once again. Got it file, Praveen? Praveen?
Yes, I got it. That.
Now in that file, this is the data which you have it. Okay.
Yes.
From that, these 3 columns you have to copy. Okay. You can open a new Excel file and paste it. Table again. Yes. So how to create a normal table again? So select the data. Okay. Go to table design. When you select this table, there will be a new option, table design. There you can go convert to range. What you will click? Convert to range. Now this table is no more a table. See that drop downs are gone. But the color, the formatting is left. So I don't want that formatting, so I'll go here, clear formatting. Okay. Now again, that is, as soon as you make it convert to range, the table became normal data. It's no more a table now. So again, I'm making it a table. Selecting the data, going to insert, create, click on table, say OK, and it became table. Now in this drop downs, you have many options. From that, there is this sort from here. Got it, Praveen? Yes or no?
I'm not getting.
So Praveen, see here. This is a chat box. Here, okay, this is the new link. So previous link, I will share once again. You contact me after the class. In this link, there are previous classes videos.
Okay.
Recording, where it is? See, this is the previous class. Okay.
Okay.
So it's better to see that and then join the current class. Tomorrow is Friday. One more class will be there tomorrow. Saturday, Sunday, you can complete this previous
Okay.
classes.
Sure.
Getting it?
Sure.
So things are very easy. It's not your fault that you're not understanding just because you joined it today itself. That's why you're not getting. It's not hard. Okay.
How you keep?
Now you can mute yourself, Praveen.
Okay.
So we are going to understand if function today. So basic if we are going to see here. So output what I want, pass or fail. Only 2 things I want. So I will write equal to if, don't type right now, just see. If I am typing if tab, generally keep the habit of using tab. In Excel only we are going to use much of this button. In our day-to-day life, we never click the tab. Shifting the tab, alt tab is there. But apart from that, we never use it. But in Excel, most of the time we are going to use. So what I am doing, equal to I. So as soon as I click on I, pressed I, if option is there, click on tab, logical test. Logical test. What is my condition? If value in this is greater than 35, okay, comma, this is my logical test. This cell, what is that? A2. Cell name is A2, where you will see the name of the cell and this name box. Okay, this is the name box. Then value if true. Now I have given condition A2 greater than 35. Value if true, what should be giving? Pass. In double quotes, pass. value if false, means if value is less than 35, then I'll write fail. Round bracket close. If you forgot to give round bracket close, if you directly press enter, sometimes it will ask there is some correction. Can I correct it? So say okay. A error box will come in your formula. You forgot to give round bracket. Okay. So can I correct it? It will ask like that. So you should have to press OK. Getting it? Type this formula, everybody. Done. Why that much corner? I'm unable to see who is there sitting. Okay. Sit. Next time, make sure you're sitting in such a way that I can see you. Don't hide. Can we go for next? So if you want to fill it down, then you can just select that much part. Get filled. Now, I'll write this three condition. First condition inside one more if I'm writing. Okay, more than two conditions are there, so I'm nested one if condition function in say high high marks. What should we write? Okay, where I'm writing this value if false. Value to I give high marks. Second condition what I need to give value if false. So at that place again one more if condition. Here I'm telling in this if it is greater than 60.